Students. This is a session of grade 5 and this is a session of grade 5 social studies subject. Okay, so students, how are you all? I hope you all must fine by the grace of Allah. Okay, so students, now take out your books, take out your social studies books. We cover Alhamdulillah 2 chapters. Now we have start unit 2, chapter number 1. Okay, unit 2 is about physical regions. And open page number, that is on page number 19. Okay, unit 2, physical regions. Okay, chapter 1 is about physical region of Pakistan. So student, first of all you have to read this chapter very carefully, okay, at your home. Okay, so now we start this chapter. Okay, physical region of Pakistan. Okay, region is an area of land that has common features. Natural or artificial features both can define a region. Artificial features can include government, religion or language. Natural features can include forest or climate, wildlife, meaning whether large or small are the basic unit of geography. Okay, so students, first of all you know very well that what is region. Okay, so region are broadly divided into physical characteristic or human impact characteristic. Okay, so the region is divided into two categories, that is are natural or artificial features. Okay, so it can define a region. Okay, so they can define, both can define a region, natural or artificial features, they can both define a region. Okay, so firstly artificial features. What is artificial features? That artificial feature uh, have a government, religion or language. Okay, they are different languages. There are different languages. Okay, they are distinguished different languages. Okay, so in artificial features category. Okay, then government, religion. Okay, there are different religions. Okay, so they distinguish of different religion in artificial features. Okay, natural features can include wildlife, forest or climate. Now what is natural feature? So natural features have that this is not made by man. Okay, this is a natural things. Okay, and include forest, climate or wildlife. Okay, so region, whether large or smaller, okay, are the basic unit of geography. So students, region are whether they are small or whether they are large. Okay, so now the physical region of Pakistan. Pakistan has wide wide landscape. These are coastal beaches, lagoon lagoon and mangrove swamps in the south, sandy desert, desolate plateaus, fertile plains, and dissected upland in the middle, and high mountains with beautiful valleys, snow-covered peaks, and glaciers are in the north. Pakistan is classified into 5 major physical divisions according to the variety of landscape. Okay, the physical region of Pakistan, that these are the those are the region. Okay, Pakistan is divided into how many physical divisions? 5. Okay, 5 divisions, and they are there's sandy deserts. Okay, there are desolate plateaus in physical region of Pakistan. Okay, there are fertile plain, there are dissected upland, middle and high mountain with beautiful valleys. Okay, it include in physical region of Pakistan. Okay, so the first one is the major physical division is about north and northwestern mountain, Pothuar and Balochistan plateau, Indus plain, third one. Fourth one is desert areas. Fifth one is coastal areas. Okay, north and northwestern mountains. Okay, these mountains can be divided into 3 major ranges: the Himalayas, the Karakoram and Hindu Kush. Okay, first one is the north. We discussed the north and northwestern mountains. These mountains we have divided into 3 major ranges. Okay, the firstly one is Himalayas, second one is Karakoram, and third one is Hindu Kush. Okay, so The Himalayas occupy the entire northern end of Pakistan, extend about 200 miles, 320 kilometers into the country. The range consists of snow-capped peaks with steep sides and valleys, rich in green vegetation. So in Himalaya mountain, it occupy in the northern end of Pakistan. Okay, and it's is about 200 miles. Okay, 320 kilometer in the into the country. Okay, and the valleys rich in green vegetation. Okay, the valleys is about in green vegetation. Okay, now next one is the Karakoram. The Karakoram range is farther north and adjoins the Himalayas. Several important rivers flow from or through these mountains into the rest of Pakistan. Mostly it comprises of steep peaks and narrow valleys, usually with a fast flowing river. This range is intercept the monsoon rain bearing winds from the south. The population is generally scattered because living in this region in very tough tiny settlement grow crops popularly barley and fruits. This is very little population. Okay, so in Karakoram range, it's about in it occupy in farther north and adjoin the Himalayas. Okay, several important river is flow through this mountain. Okay, and in all the rest of Pakistan, and it comprises a steep peak, narrow valley